It's an epic love story. तो तू अपने लिए खुद बोली ना, मैं तेरे लिए कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? I can't take it for granted. अब तू बोल.
It's a special film for me as well, because even I have given a year and a half of my life to it.
हाँ, but I have given a full year and a half. तूने installments में दिया है. पूरी यूनिफॉर्म पहन के ऐसे रिबैन लगा के ऐसे passing shot देता रहता था कि Dad, I'm around if you ever need me.
He used to be the first one ready at 8 o'clock in the morning. And he used to wait till 6:30 waiting for a shot.
To be on this
production.
हाँ, तेरे लिए मैं थर्मोकोल भी पकड़ा था एक बार. Father is always father and father is always right. They sent me these two things on my birthday and I thought that it was sent with so much love that I must respect that and appreciate that.
And he's obsessed with coffee. They usually send me dairy milk and uncle chips. The first time that you're going to see me like this is, I don't know, Shahid, you've done something like this before?
No.
No, he's not done this.
No, never.
And Shahid's dancing also in it.
Yeah, thanks.
We have us today the team of Mausam, Shahid Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor together on Bollywood Hungama. Great pleasure having you both together on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thanks, man.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, the first look of promo will be out very soon on Monday itself, the day this video will be up. So what sort of promo are you guys coming up with?
It's about a 2-minute theatrical, which gives you a feel of the film. It's an epic love story. It's a film about, obviously about Sonam and me, about two characters called Harry and Ayat. And so it's going to be a 2-minute extravaganza, a montage of everything that Mausam has to offer, and hopefully it should speak for itself.
Which is, you see very little of what actually the film is. I mean, it's just a taste, and because it's going to be, I don't know, it's an epic thing. It's beautiful.
The promo or the film?
The film, but the promo, like I said, is just a very small part of what the film actually is.
How many seasons do we see in this promo? All of them together?
All the seasons.
I don't really want to talk too much about what all you'll see in the promo. I want people to see it and judge for themselves. But you will see a journey, because the film is not just a regular rom-com. It's a complete love story, and there is a journey which these two characters take, and they go through various stages, transitions emotionally as people, as characters. Their looks will change, the background will change, the places they are in changes, and so you'll see all that in the film. And
Today on Bollywood Hungama, we'll be doing a live webcast of the promo launch of Shahid and Sonam's first film together. So how does it feel, your fans? Because you guys have a tremendous fan following overseas as well.
This is a really special film for me, because I have not been doing anything for a year and a half. So whenever Sonam had dates, we used to shoot. When she used to fall ill, I used to fall ill.
There are rumors doing the round, so you're just adding to the fuel to the fire.
Yeah, but we really get along, so we can talk about it with each other and make fun of it. We don't really take it very seriously. We had great fun on the film. We're going to be live on Bollywood Hungama across the world, and that's something I'm very excited about, because I think your website is huge and it reaches out to so many people, and apart from the theatrical releasing in the theaters, it'll be out on the net, and so I hope that everybody out there will get an opportunity to go and catch it. We're launching it on the 11th of July at PVR at 5:30 p.m. We're doing an event for the media, so I'm sure you'll also be there, and we're also doing an event for the fans.
Okay, so what exactly is that?
Well, I've just been told that there are 2 screens which we have. One is going to be for the media, obviously, to show it to them and showcase it to them and get their reaction on it and talk about the film a little bit. So me, Sonam, Dad, and everybody who's a part of the film will be there. And then there's another screen where we wanted to invite some of the fans to come and see it, because I think it's been a while. I've not had a release for a while, and this is our first film together, and it's a very special film for me, and I wanted to share it with them.
Well. What do you mean only for you? Only
तो तू अपने लिए खुद बोली ना, मैं तेरे लिए कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? I can't take it for granted. अब तू बोल, तारीफ कर.
It's a special film for me as well, because even I have given a year and a half of my life to it.
हाँ, but I have given a full year and a half. तूने installments में दिया है.
But I shot the same amount of days that you did.
That's true. Yeah. She's as much in the film as I am. Okay. Sometimes more. In fact, when we started shooting the film, the first 3 days, my father refused to shoot with me. He was only shooting with Sonam.
That's what he told us last time around.
पूरी यूनिफॉर्म पहन के ऐसे रिबैन लगा के ऐसे passing shot देता रहता था कि Dad, I'm around if you ever need me. But he shot with me on the 4th day, man.
He used to be the first one ready at 8 o'clock in the morning, and he used to wait till 6:30 waiting for a shot, and I was the only one being shot.
She was the only one being shot.
All these rumors that you guys had differences on the sets of Mausam and also, I think it was all unfounded. What exactly happened?
Yeah, see, in my experience of 17, 18 films, there is no film which gets made ke matlab koi problem hi nahi hua and everything is hunky dory beautiful. Sure. But I think because we were being very protective about Mausam as a film in terms of the looks that we had, because this is that kind of subject. It's not like me just standing in a t-shirt and her just wearing her thing and just doing the regular stuff. Sure. It's a very different film, and so we wanted to protect it. And so there were a lot of people who wanted to know what's happening with it, and there was a lot of speculation around it. And I think Sonam, me, and especially Dad are not the kind of people who like to go out there and talk a lot in the media about the film, at least at that point in time. We feel there's a right time and right place for everything. And so we didn't go out and clarify anything. But I've had great fun doing the film. And I think more than anything else, rather than me and Sonam standing out here and making these clarifications, when people will see the film, when they will see the promo, I think they'll be able to judge for themselves on how much we got along and how much we didn't.
We got along. Anyways, I shouldn't say that.
Sonam told us recently that she was having more scenes and she's having...
She's have a scene with me in the film.
No,
that you told apparently your dad that why you're not having me in the scene as well.
हाँ वो तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार पहले 3 दिन शूटिंग ही नहीं हुई मेरे साथ. But you know how it is. Father is always father and father is always right. So I didn't really feel like a star on this one. But it was a different experience, and I really enjoyed participating in the film and just being another member of the crew. And I think that's something I've really learned to be on this
production.
film. हाँ तेरे लिए मैं थर्मोकोल भी पकड़ा था एक बार. काफी कुछ कर चुका हूँ.
Is this flask given by your fans or something?
Yeah, actually this also.
Each time like we do your interviews and you seem to be having...
I won't be able to talk. I'll be like this because every time somebody sends me something, I end up wearing it. Right. But yeah, I think this is a really sweet thing.
Apparently in all our interviews, you seem to be having this flask and we keep on hearing that ये हमने दिया था.
हाँ, इस पे लिखा हुआ भी है. See, if you look carefully, it's got there's this thing called shahidonline.net, which is like this website which these fans have created. Sure. And they sent me these 2 things on my birthday, and I thought that it was sent with so much love that I must respect that and appreciate that.
And he's obsessed with coffee. Black coffee, yeah.
In fact, one of your fans, Tabish, he's from Delhi. Apparently, he keeps on emailing me about promo kab aa raha hai. Apparently, they send something on your birthday and all as well. So, what do you have to say to your fans?
Well, they usually send me dairy milk and Uncle Chips. That's what came to me.
पुराने वाले, vintage वाले?
नहीं वाले. So they send me food and they send me a card and stuff like that. Nothing. And they make like these blogs for me and these videos.
They send you food, They send me
what I was saying was their query was about the promo of Mausam and the film. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I'm very, very excited.
Fans क्या wait करना चाहिए?
They should wait for something that is I've never done.
चाह रहा है फरीदू ने फंसाने की हमें कोशिश करे. Basically चाह रहा है कि हम लोग रिवील कर दें कि प्रोमो के अंदर क्या है. हम नहीं बताएंगे. समझता नहीं है कि हम काफी इंटेलिजेंट टाइप के लोग हैं.
Can I just say that it's a very
I don't know the film.
It's a very intense love story, and I've always done like very frothy films. If it's like a major love story, or I've done Savari and Delhi 6, which weren't exactly love stories. So this is my first like really intense love story, but to a boy and a girl, and so it's the first time that you're going to see me like this. I don't know. Shahid, you've done something like this before? No, he's not done this.
No, never. No, this is by far.
And Shahid's dancing also in it.
Yeah, thanks. That's something I've never done.
How many songs in the film?
There are, I think, सब पूछ ले तू. 6 गाने हैं I think film के अंदर. और
no, they're all situational songs, right?
Yeah, no, there are 4 or 5 full-length songs in the film, and 5 full-length songs in the film, and 2 songs which are in the background of the film. But yeah, I just want to say that
like, stop it.
This is something which is very, very, very special for me.
Right. You can go on.
I'll go on. तू पूछते रहे मैं बोलता रहूँ.
You've shot at various locations like Edinburgh and Chandigarh and all these places. How was the experience?
It was cold.
Okay. Where? Edinburgh or Chandigarh?
Both.
Both were very cold. The only day we shot in summer was
in Chandigarh. When you weren't there, I was shooting in Chandigarh.
Was it hot at that time?
It was very hot.
The only time I remember it being hot during Mausam was when we shot in Bombay in Film City, where we had to do some one day of patchwork for Scotland.
What about in that police ground when we were shooting? You weren't there. I was wearing woolen clothes. But we were doing
night shoots.
Hello, but I was shooting in the day, not in woolen clothes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you were shooting in Film City or something at night. Right?
Sorry?
Film City for the climax and all?
No, we shot in this police ground, which is a little close to Film City. That's where we shot. We had put up a set out there.
Come to shoot it.
Okay, it's releasing on September 16th now, finally.
16 September the film will release.
You're more or less a producer as well. Something about the promotional plans?
Producer नहीं हूँ यार.
What are the promotional plans like? कैसे मतलब?
I don't know. I think there's a lot of stuff that one is planning. I've kept a month off only to promote the film.
Me too.
Oh, you have? Wow. She's kept a month off to promote the film as well. So both of us are going to be anywhere and everywhere. जो हमें बुलाएगा हम वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे. जो समोसा खिलाएगा समोसा खा लेंगे. बर्गर खिलाएगा बर्गर खिला देंगे. और तू अगर माइक दिखाएगा तो मैं इंटरव्यू दे दूँगा.
If you can briefly tell us something about your forthcoming film, in fact.
Want to go first?
I have Mausam and I have Players, and I've signed one or two other films which I can't talk about right now. But basically,
Imran said that you can be working together soon.
Yes, that's great. Yeah, that's one of the films. So yeah, with Imran, there's
Why
one.
can't you reveal this information?
Because I'm not, I can't. It's confidential because nobody signed on the dotted line yet. Okay. But yeah, hopefully, Ike and me are going to be working together soon. And but my Abhishek and is my other co-star and Players, and Shahid Mausam, which I'm very excited about because it's right now. Everything else is very far off in the future.
Fantastic, Shahid Kapoor. Sorry.
Yeah, I have this disease. I sign very few films.
Community you're doing, right?
I don't really want to talk about that right now. I'll just commit to what I'm doing, which I know I'm doing. I'm doing a film for Kunal Kohli, which I've already started shooting for, which has got me and Priyanka. It's again a love story.
Fantastic.
Very interesting subject. Very excited about that. I've already shot 30% of the film, and I'm just going to be leaving in 2 days to shoot another sked, and then I'll come back for promotions, and
He's
then
going to London.
I'll be done. Yeah, and then I'll be done with Mausam, and then let's see. There's a lot of stuff. I've been wanting to do an action film. That's something which is very strong.
Some poll was done, and your fans want you to do an action film.
Yeah, I was very surprised. There was this
Because
somebody.
Kamini was so cool, right? That's why.
I don't know, but yeah, there was this poll which happened, and a lot of the audiences in the BNC centers were more keen to see me in an action film. So yeah, that was something which I really which surprised me, and so I'm looking at doing an action film if I like something.
Fantastic. That was Shahid Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor talking about their film Mausam. The first look is being launched, and you'll be having a live webcast on Bollywood Hungama. They've also spoken about their forthcoming plans, and thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. Lovely to have you as always, and all the best wishes for Mausam and all your future ventures.